In the vast blue skies above, a fierce rivalry soars. Airbus and Boeing, two giants of the aviation industry competing head-to-head to dominate the skies. This is a tale of two titans, their battlefields stretching across continents, their weaponry the epitome of human achievement in aeronautics. On one side we have Airbus, the European powerhouse that has made a name for itself in the world of aviation, with its innovative designs and forward-thinking technology. Born out of a dream to create a unified European aviation industry, Airbus has grown from a fledgling competitor into a global force to be reckoned with. On the other side of the Atlantic, we have Boeing, the American stalwart that has been setting the standard in aviation for more than a century. With a long history of pioneering aircraft design, Boeing's legacy is etched into the annals of aviation history, and its influence felt around the globe. In this high-stakes game of technological one-upmanship, both Airbus and Boeing have made significant strides, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of aviation. From the double-decker Airbus A380 to Boeing's fuel-efficient 787 Dreamliner, each company has its unique strengths and strategies that keep them at the forefront of this competitive industry. Despite their intense rivalry, these two titans are not just competitors, but also collaborators in many ways. They both play a crucial role in shaping the future of aviation, contributing to advancements in technology, safety, and sustainability. Their combined efforts have revolutionized air travel, making it safer, more efficient, and accessible to people around the world. In this global arena, Airbus and Boeing are not just manufacturers of airplanes, they are the architects of dreams, the builders of connections, the facilitators of global commerce, and the guardians of the skies. Despite their differences, both companies have a global reach and a strong presence in the commercial aviation market. As we delve deeper into their story, we'll see how these two aviation giants continue to shape our world and redefine the boundaries of human potential. One key area where Airbus excels is in its manufacturing process. Now, let's dive a little deeper into this. Picture a highly sophisticated, almost futuristic environment. This is where Airbus crafts their magnificent flying machines. The company harnesses the power of advanced robotics and automation to create a streamlined production line. It's a ballet of technology and precision, where robots and humans work harmoniously side by side. But why does this matter? Well, it's simple. This high-tech approach significantly reduces the time it takes to assemble an aircraft. Think about it. A faster production time means Airbus can deliver their aircraft to customers quicker than ever before. And in the fast-paced world of aviation, time is money. Not only does this advanced manufacturing process save time, but it also saves costs. By automating certain tasks, Airbus reduces the risk of human error, thereby minimizing costly mistakes. It's a win-win situation for Airbus and its customers. Let's not forget about the environmental impact. Airbus's innovative manufacturing process is designed to minimize waste, making it a more sustainable choice. This commitment to sustainability is not just good for the planet, but it also resonates with today's eco-conscious consumers. But it's not all about robots and automation. Airbus's strength also lies in its human capital. The company's team of highly skilled engineers and designers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating aircraft that are not only efficient and reliable but also comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. Airbus's approach to manufacturing is a clear demonstration of its commitment to innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. It's a strategy that has paid off, allowing Airbus to compete effectively in the highly competitive aviation market. This gives Airbus a competitive edge in terms of cost and delivery times. And in the high-stakes world of aviation, this edge could be the difference between soaring high and falling short. As we continue our journey through the fascinating world of Airbus and Boeing, keep in mind that Airbus's manufacturing prowess is just one piece of this complex puzzle. Stay tuned as we delve into more aspects of this riveting rivalry. Boeing, on the other hand, is known for its focus on research and development. Now let's delve deeper into this American aviation powerhouse. Boeing's prowess in the aerospace industry is no accident. It's a product of decades of relentless research and development. This commitment to constant innovation is the cornerstone of Boeing's success. The company's R&D efforts are geared towards pushing the envelope, setting new benchmarks and redefining what's possible in aviation. Boeing's research and development isn't just about creating new aircraft models, it's about revolutionizing air travel. Every new technology, every design tweak, every efficiency improvement is a step towards making air travel safer, faster, and more environmentally friendly. Investment in cutting-edge technology is another area where Boeing shines. It's not just about staying competitive, it's about leading the pack. From advanced automation systems to next-generation engine technology, Boeing is always at the forefront of innovation. This focus on technology doesn't just give Boeing an edge over its competitors, it shapes the future of the entire industry. Boeing's approach to aircraft design is another testament to its innovative spirit. The company's aircraft are known for their efficiency, reliability, and performance. Each new model is a masterpiece of engineering, combining the latest technology with Boeing's vast experience in aircraft design. This allows Boeing to consistently deliver aircraft that meet the needs of airlines and passengers alike. But it's not just about the technology and design. Boeing's commitment to research and development extends to its people. The company invests heavily in training and development, fostering a culture of continuous learning and innovation. This ensures that Boeing's workforce is always ready to tackle the challenges of the ever-evolving aerospace industry. Boeing's commitment to research and development has paid off handsomely. The company's innovative approach has allowed it to stay ahead of the curve, setting new standards for the industry and maintaining its status as a world leader in aviation. In conclusion, Boeing's strength lies not just in its products, but in its unyielding commitment to progress. This commitment to innovation has helped Boeing stay ahead in the market. The company's focus on research and development is the driving force behind its success, cementing its place as a titan of the aerospace industry. When it comes to market share, Boeing has traditionally held the lead, particularly in the United States. This American juggernaut has been a dominant force in the global aviation landscape for much of the 20th and 21st centuries, but the tables are turning and the winds of change are blowing. In recent years, we've seen a steady shift in market dominance. Airbus, the European contender, has been steadily gaining ground, chipping away at Boeing's lead. This shift is not a mere coincidence or a stroke of luck. It's the result of strategic decisions and calculated risks taken by Airbus. Airbus has been consistently delivering on its promises, producing aircraft that are not only technologically advanced but also fuel efficient. This has been a game-changer in the industry, particularly at a time when airlines are under immense pressure to reduce their carbon footprint. The A320neo, Airbus's star performer, has been a major player in this shift. This single-aisle aircraft, known for its exceptional fuel efficiency, has been a hit among airlines, particularly those operating short to medium-haul routes. The A350, another Airbus marvel, has also been making waves in the long-haul market, offering a combination of comfort, efficiency, and performance that is hard to beat. On the other side of the Atlantic, Boeing has had its share of successes too. The Dreamliner, or the 787 as it's more commonly known, has been a dream come true for many airlines, offering unprecedented levels of fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. The 737 MAX, despite its initial challenges, has also seen a strong recovery, reaffirming Boeing's commitment to safety and innovation. So where does this leave us? The battle for the skies is far from over. Both Airbus and Boeing have their strengths and weaknesses, and both are poised to continue their battle for supremacy. The future of aviation is a fascinating one, full of possibilities and opportunities. However, Airbus has made significant gains in recent years, thanks in part to its focus on fuel-efficient aircraft like the A320neo and A350. And as we look toward the future, it's clear that the competition between these two titans of the skies will only get fiercer. Despite their rivalry, Airbus and Boeing have more in common than they may seem. At the heart of it all, these aviation titans share a trio of commitments that underpin their operations: safety, innovation, and sustainability. Both Airbus and Boeing understand that safety isn't just a priority, but a core value. Their aircraft are the product of countless hours of rigorous testing and meticulous design, all to ensure the utmost safety for passengers and crew alike. Innovation is another shared commitment. The companies continually strive to push the boundaries of what's possible in the aviation industry. Whether it's advanced robotics in manufacturing or pioneering aircraft design, both Airbus and Boeing are at the forefront of technological advancements. Sustainability is the third common ground. Both giants are actively working towards reducing their environmental footprint, be it through fuel-efficient aircraft or sustainable aviation fuels. Both companies are committed to safety, innovation, and sustainability, ensuring that the future of aviation is both exciting and responsible. As the Airbus-Boeing rivalry continues to unfold, one thing is clear: the sky's the limit for these two aviation giants. This duel in the clouds, born from a relentless pursuit of innovation and dominance, has shaped the course of modern aviation. The European trailblazer, Airbus, with its cutting-edge technology and streamlined manufacturing, continues to challenge the status quo. Meanwhile, Boeing, an emblem of American ingenuity, remains a formidable adversary, driven by its commitment to research and pushing the boundaries of flight. Their rivalry, rather than stifle, has fueled progress, leading to advancements that have redefined what's possible in the skies. From fuel efficiency to passenger comfort, their competition has resulted in benefits that extend beyond their boardrooms, touching every corner of the globe. As we look to the future, it's evident that this sky-high contest will continue to shape the course of aviation, pushing us into an era of unprecedented possibilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the world of aviation and beyond.